Well, there was some anticipation in Atlanta's West End today as leaders from Fulton County and Grady Healthcare gathered to celebrate efforts to close critical healthcare gaps in the surrounding community. Liza Lucas has more on the brand new clinic and the hope to improve neighbors' overall health.
With a mural to catch your eye and MARTA easy to catch nearby, there's a hope this brand new clinic will draw neighbors in and meet an important need in Atlanta's West End neighborhood.
We know that these zip codes do not have enough primary care services. If we count the number of primary care doctors compared to the population, we just don't have enough.
This soon-to-open outpatient center at Lee and White Streets marks the latest in Grady Healthcare's effort to spread its footprint beyond the downtown hospital and reach patients where they are. Such efforts reached new urgency, local leaders say, after Wellstar Health System closed its hospitals in East Point and downtown Atlanta.
The catalyst for this, quite frankly, was when Wellstar closed that really impacted a segment of our community.
Fulton County Commission Chairman Rob Pitts says the closures made a healthcare desert in Central and South Fulton even worse.
So what Grady's doing with us really addresses that need. What we're doing really is bringing health care, health maintenance to the people.
The new center aims to improve access to primary care, pediatrics, geriatrics, mammography services, HIV care, and more. Preventative care that doctors say is critical.
We need to avoid patients going to the emergency room for their diabetes or going to their emergency room for their heart failure or because they're out of medications. If we can prevent that and keep them in primary care and keep them in outpatient care, we'll have less demand for an emergency room, less demand for the inpatient beds that are so important.
Dr. Kelly Carroll says a similar clinic on Cascade Road is already leading to better health of patients, while future centers are also planned for DeKalb County. In January, DeKalb and Fulton leaders pledged more than $60 million in support over the next decade to help with the need. But Chairman Pitts also points to others.
We're rebounding, but we're going to need Wellstar's help at some point in the future so that we can continue to do what's right by the people of Fulton County.
In Atlanta, Liza Lucas, 11 Alive News.
Well, last night, the City of Atlanta and Wellstar Health System issued a statement on City Council's decision to approve the plan to transform the old Wellstar AMC site in Old Fourth Ward, saying in part, we are committed to working together to develop a long-term plan that will best meet the needs of the community and Metro Atlanta. Meantime, the official opening for Grady's West End Clinic is on Monday. A freestanding emergency department is also slated to open in Union City in 2026.